Hello everyone. I hope this video find you and your family well during this crazy pandemic time. I hope your family are safe. I would like to take a couple of minutes to introduce myself. I'm Dr. Feng Liu. Most of you either took my class before or emailed me about the program or my advisee. So most of you already probably know a little bit background about me. I graduated 2005 from Georgia State for my computer science. My PhD was on computer science with concentration on the computer 3D graphics. So what my research interest is virtual reality, augmented reality, 3D computer graphics, and also user experience, human-computer interaction. So after graduate, I started working for Mercer, and this is my 15 years at Mercer. Many of you probably know I coordinate 3 undergraduate IT programs. Those programs include the original informatics program, is it in the teacher app status, IT and informatics program, which is IT serve for more mid-age career changer who have a lot of other background and experience trying to embed IT into their career. The last programs that I coordinated is Software Application Development and HCI. So this HCI is represent as human-computer interaction. And the more and more today's software development, we have to pay attention to human and user experience. So that's we bring that user experience as one of the emphasis in the program. So that's about me, and I'm looking forward to see you or working with you in the next 8 weeks session. Well, I hope you all take care and stay safe.